Now you will be pay zero income tax up to 12 lakhs. Yes, you heard it right. The union budget of the 2025 just announced the budget. The new regime come as the relief for the middle class. Here is the how is the new tax regime look like. Now, for those who are confused about the 5% and the 10% rate, here is the how it's work. This tax is calculating the using the new slab. For example, 5% for the rupees 4 to 8 lakh, 10% for the 8 to 12 lakh. Repeat is then the applied to the reduce the tax liability to zero for the income up to 12 lakh. For example, someone earning the 12 lakh to save the 80,000 in a tax compared to the old regime. Experts are calling this is the historic relief and tax is the reform in the win for the boosting the spending. With the more money in the pocket people, they are likely to spend more on the service and goods and the experience which can drive the economic growth. It's a smart move to stimulate the demand, especially in the consumption-driven economy like India. Share this news with your peer and follow for more updates.